Welcome to Advent Tool, and please take a look at this video sample.
On this stainless steel pipe, I will machine a 1-inch 11.5 MPT external thread on our live tooling lathe. I am using our flute replaceable insert tool. Surface feet is 1,400, RPM is 4,000, and with a chip load of 1,000 per flute, we will be threading at 65 inches per minute. I will now rerun the same part, this time without coolant, so that you may see the thread milling process. On this next part, I have now increased our chip load to 2,000s per flute, giving us a feed rate of 128 inches per minute. I will now run this next part without coolant. On this next part, I have now increased my chip load to 2,000s 5/10, giving me a feed rate of 138 inches per minute. I am still running it dry.